Most people quit learning DaVinci Resolve for one simple reason. They enroll in courses that are too long, too technical, or courses that just skim through really important techniques in editing. So now I built something very different. If you always wanted to edit videos but felt overwhelmed by timelines, tools, and buttons, settings, then this class has been designed just for you. I'm Loai, and I've taught hundreds of thousands of students how to edit videos clearly, simply, and with confidence. And this time, I'm offering this DaVinci Resolve course completely free. So what makes this class different? You won't just watch videos. You will actually edit a real project from start to finish. You will download a full practice pack, and together we will build a clean professional video step by step using a simple, effective workflow that actually makes sense to you. By the end of the class, you will know how to set up your project correctly, build a solid and good timeline, cut and refine your edits, add titles, transitions, audio, and speed variations without confusion or wasted time. This is not about learning everything in DaVinci Resolve. It's about learning what matters first so you can finish your projects and feel confident editing your own videos. And if you want more DaVinci Resolve tips, tutorials, classes, and workflows, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And before you go, just a second, leave a comment and tell me the one thing in DaVinci Resolve that confuses you most, that you want really to learn from A to Z. I'll cover it in upcoming videos, promise. So click the links in the description, join the course for free, activate the 1-month Skillshare trial, and start editing today, properly and confidently.